Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Cash App application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Cash App. In the search result on the next page, look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Cash App on your iPhone in a few minutes. Cash App is a mobile payment service available in the United States and the United Kingdom. It allows you to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone application. Once you have the application installed, you can then pay anyone instantly, buy and sell Bitcoin, manage money with your friends and family together, and that is how you can easily download Cash App on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.